Drop it.
Hello, I'm Resham and you're watching Red On Films Entertainment. Firstly, welcome back to our channel. And have you subscribed to our channel? नहीं किया है then please जल्दी करिए. And do not forget to share. Share this video as well as the other videos on our channel. Do it ASAP. Thank you. So coming straight to the topic, it's gonna be a very quick video and it's about me reacting to the top 10 most handsome men in the world, like पूरे planet में. And it's an updated list of 2021 और मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि इसमें कौन कौन होगा. मतलब I obviously have some names in my mind, like imagination में, but let's see कि वो मेरी सोच से मैच करता है कि नहीं. And yeah, let's jump in. So and yeah, I forgot to tell you कि ये मैंने ये लिस्ट नहीं देखी है. जो गूगल पे I'm gonna type updated list of 2021 most handsome men and जो first link आएगा उसमें I'm gonna open it and let's see what's in store for us. Okay, so number 10 is Brad Pitt. Expected, but don't you think number 10 he deserved to be number 7, maybe 6? So yeah, hottest man in the world, American actor, of course we must know about him. He is actually the foremost attractive person in the world. So yeah, and yeah, I'm a Friends fan, so he was married to Jennifer Aniston, and you know that's like an added point for him, according to me. Like I just love Jennifer Aniston, and yeah, so yeah, Brad Pitt obviously did deserve to be here. So thumbs up for him. What? Okay, I'm sorry to all the Salman fans out there because number 9 पे Salman Khan is there. Okay, so not expecting this at all. ये link जो भी, let's not talk about it, but okay, not really a fan of Salman Khan and actually मैं इनको expect भी नहीं कर रही थी. Is this a right list? Okay, so it's okay. Yes, everyone has their choice and maybe वो you know audience के through and audience polls के through हुआ होगा, but honestly me and neither of my friends, we're not a fan of him, so yeah, whatever. That was mean, but yeah, okay, so not my choice at all, a big no for me and not even expecting, so whatever. Number 8 is Robert Pattinson. Woohoo! So yeah, now I'm actually not a fan of him, but when I was in about 5th, 6th standard, I used to watch his like Twilight and all. So usme to I think he used to look very hot. And also there was a movie named as Remember Me, a must watch. People, you should, like starting में तो you'll say क्या है normal, but the climax, मतलब मैंने ऐसा climax कभी expect ही नहीं किया था. So that's one of the movie, Remember Me, and he looked really dashing in that. So yeah, so I would say childhood crush Robert Pattinson, yeah. Abhi not a fan, but still, of course, he did deserve to be in this list. Yeah, of course. He has that, used to have that chocolate boy image and so well deserved. A thumbs up for him, of course. He has those gothic eyes, you know, that actually makes him stand out. So yeah, good one. Number 7 is David Beckham. As expected, I was of course expecting him at this age of 44. I believe he is very cool. Yeah, so of course he's one of the best footballer and he has everything that a person would desire of. He has the looks, he has those brains, he has the beauty with brain. So I think he totally deserves to be in this list. And he's married to Victoria Beckham and I think even she's like gorgeous. So yeah, and his kids are like so cute. मतलब यहाँ पे handsome men की वो हो रही है और मैं यहाँ पे उनके बच्चे के बारे में बट कमिंग बैक, सो आई थिंक ऑफ कोर्स ही डिड डिजर्व टू बी हियर. एंड एक्चुअली मैं इसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा रैंकिंग का सोच रही थी, लाइक एट अराउंड 3 और 4. बट ठीक है, लेट्स सी यार नंबर 1 पे कौन होगा. सो कमिंग टू नंबर 6. ओके, नंबर 6 इज जॉनी डेप. ओके, Alice in Wonderland, yeah, Chocolate Factory, of course. He holds the 6th position. I think that's fine. Actually, I wasn't really expecting him in this list. But nevertheless, yeah, he's not that bad. He's not that good. Matlab, if I have to rate him, then I would rate him a 7.5 on 10. So, मतलब मैं रेट तो ऐसे कर रही हूँ जैसे, बट स्टिल या कमिंग बैक. सो ही हैज़ क्वाइट अ पर्सनैलिटी एंड या नंबर 6 इज़ अ गुड नंबर फॉर हिम एंड या ही इज़ वेरी हैंडसम. नंबर 5 इज़ टॉम क्रूज. नंबर 5, इनको कोई नंबर 2 या नंबर 3 नहीं मिलना चाहिए था. Yeah, he's also the richest actor in the world. He has a great personality. He's doing some amazing movies. He has that dashing hairstyle. I know, I think his hairstyle really is dashing, and hairstyle भी matter करता है, of course. And of course, he is a trendsetter, and we can't really deny it. So number 5, I think थोड़ा वो है, but कोई नहीं. But yeah, a thumbs up for him, of course, for sure. Number 4 is what? Am I reading it wrong? It's Imran Khan, the Prime Minister of Pakistan.
नहीं, ये हम यहाँ पे क्या करने आए हैं? मेरी बात, हम यहाँ पे क्या करने?
Okay, he's the 22nd Prime Minister of Pakistan, and okay, like I don't know what to say. Like I have never seen him like that way. Like not expecting him for sure. मतलब of course as a cricketer, जब like maybe 10 years, 15 years back, maybe he would have deserved or he would have been, you know, justified being here on number 4. But वैसे I don't think that number 4, like what is wrong with the man who's okay. मतलब of course he is a very good looking man, very charming for his age and everything, but you know when you're rating मतलब top 10 तो यार it matters, and अभी नहीं यार, like maybe 10 years back, I'm not saying age है, and of course there are other men as well, but now maybe not according to me, maybe for some others, but not for me. So it's like not a very big no, but not expecting him. Of course he is a handsome personality, but not in the top 10 list according to me, so sorry. So number 3 is Chris Evans, the Captain America, of course, and yeah, he is like totally thumbs up. One of the most attractive men, young men, and yeah, he's a great actor. He is charming, he has the personality, his eyes, and again, what is my obsession with the hairstyle? Like his hairstyle is like to the point, and you know, बिल्कुल not too jag, not too very subtle, मतलब पूरा properly done. So I think he is like a very gentleman type, and yeah, I think big thumbs up to him and totally deserve to be on number 3. Number 2 is Omar Borkan Al Gala. Who is this person?
ओ भाई, मारो मुझे, मारो.
You know, someone was telling me about him, but I have no idea कि he is an actor, he's an Iraqi actor and model and photographer. Oh, and he has 1.2 million followers on Instagram as well. Okay, मतलब इन फोटोज को देख के तो number 2, like am I not updated? क्या मुझे पता नहीं है कि he has actually come in that race, and जैसे you know एकदम से maybe he just gained fame and overnight, and you know people started looking at his profiles, and but मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता. I'm sorry, I'm not updated with this. And number 2, and of course he's from Saudi Arabia. Of course, some of the people from Saudi Arabia, the men, are very good looking, and yeah, but when I have to really research more about him, because if he's getting a number 2 spot, there must be like something about him. So if I have to rate him, so I would give him an 8.5 on 10. And number 2, I don't think, like looking at his pictures right now, I don't really think that he deserved that spot. But yes, of course, before making my full decision and everything, I really need to see more of his pictures and more of his videos, and तभी मैं कुछ बोल पाऊँगी. But yes, he is quite something, and of course इस list में होना तो of course he deserve. So 1 thumbs up for him. Yeah. And number 1 is, drum roll, it's Ian Somerhalder, the Vampire Diaries stars, and of course deserve करता है number 1 पे. Yes, yeah, he does. Of course, like ladies are crazy about him, about his acting, about his personality. He has those looks, those gleamy eyes. He has it in himself, and of course he is like one of kind, and yeah, even I am a fan of him. So yeah, and you know, सब ने कभी ना कभी तो Vampire Diaries देखी होगी, और अगर नहीं भी देखी, so people of course connect to his character, and you know, he has that power, he's very attractive. So yeah, he did deserve to be in this list. So big thumbs up for him. And female fans of course follow Vampire Diaries because of him. He is the main reason, and जब इतने सारे reasons involved हैं, तो of course यार इस list में तो बनता ही था. And number 1 position, of course he does deserve it. So of course again, this actor has a very beautiful hairstyle, and you know, he has that very gentleman look plus a very intense look, which actually makes him stand out. So woohoo, he did deserve again. मतलब मैं कितनी बार बोलूँगी, of course आप समझ ही गए होगे कि ये number 1 deserve करते हैं, for sure. And the best part about his face is of course his jawline and those gloomy eyes and those beautiful eyes. I think those are very attractive. So yeah, big thumbs up for it. And that's all for the top 10 most handsome men of 2021. So coming back, and I think this list does need some changes, some rectification for sure. And like I was expecting Hrithik Roshan and Ranbir Kapoor, Fawad Khan. मतलब कहाँ है वो, कहाँ है? आपने इमरान खान को डाल दिया, फवाद खान को नहीं डाला. मतलब क्या है भाई? मतलब of course these people are good, but top 10 में you know there were more, they were like better candidates. So मतलब फवाद खान, मतलब I am very disappointed with this, honestly. Well, some were like some dazzling and you know very good, but expecting better. And यार तुम top 10 की बात कर रहे हो, तुम सलमान खान को डाल रहे हो, मतलब कुछ तो सोचो. तो ठीक है जो भी है, but I hope that you enjoyed today's segment because I really did. And मुझे बहुत, ये तो actually news है मेरे लिए जो मुझे पता चली है. And yes, I have to research about the number 2, that guy from Saudi Arabia, and उसके बारे में पढ़ती हूँ, and I will get back to you. And I hope you like today's segment. So please share this video as much as you can, and do not forget to share this video as well as subscribe to our channel Red On Films and Entertainment. So keep loving us, keep showering your love, and keep watching Red On Films and Entertainment. Thank you for watching.